Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing? If
Today,
today is your first time of watching one of our videos,
thank
we
you
want to
very
say
much
thank you and consider
to
subscribe.
subscribe.
If you are a returning customer,
Thank you very much.
thank you.
God bless you. If you are watching us for the first time, thank you very much.
If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for subscribing and for watching our videos.
Yes.
In today's episode, we want to show you an alternative way of mouth washing, brushing your mouth. Those who have oral problems, teeth problems, gum problems, or maybe mouth
odors. Yes. It's very good. It's nice.
Did you have any mouth odor?
No
mouth odor. So mouth odor, we all know what mouth odor is. So if you find yourself having mouth odor, there's a natural remedy.
Yes.
It's free. Nature has given
God has given us everything.
And the leaf is almost everywhere.
Yes.
All you need to do is to get the
leaf and
chew it. When you chew it, first of all, when you plug the leaf, you can take like one or two leaves. When you plug it, rinse it because of maybe dust or bacteria, So after rinsing it, you chew it. When you chew it, the juice or the liquid from the leaf is not poisonous.
Yes.
In fact, it is very healthy for our body. But because of this purpose, we are using it for mouthwash. So it's not as if it's only in Africa. In other countries, other cultures, ethnic, people use it. Like in Peru, in India, they use it for mouthwash.
Yes.
So it's not like an eating thing. It's open, free, given to us by nature. So after rinsing it, you chew it. Don't swallow the juice or the liquid from the leaf.
Yes.
All you need to do is pick up a brush, your toothbrush.
Yes.
Pick it up and use it to
take the one of the leaf.
No. When you chew it, you don't swallow the juice or the liquid.
Yes.
You now use your brush to use it as mouthwash. When you do that, you have a clean teeth.
Yes.
If you are having mouth odor, it will be gone.
Your teeth will be clean
any oral
every day.
Gone. Gum problems, teeth problems. You will not have any issue with mouth, and it's free. So this is the leaf.
This is the leaf. Did you know?
Viewers, do you know about this leaf?
This is
cashew leaf.
Cashew.
It is very good for the body.
Yes.
Very is antibacterial, antifungal, anti-parasitic. It's very good. So we are going to demonstrate how we are going to use it to wash the mouth. So follow us as we are about to demonstrate it.
To show you how we use it to brush our teeth.
You don't need to buy it. It's free.
It's free.
Just look for cashew
leaf.
It probably you may have it in your compound or in your neighbor's compound.
It's
just
very
pick
good.
one. We'll demonstrate it because I'm going to rinse it. Just pick one.
Very natural.
Yes, very natural. You don't pay for it.
It's not free. Poisonous. So
in fact,
it's very good.
The juice is for another topic.
Yes.
It's for another topic.
Show you how
most especially for the men. You know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, it's good for women.
It's very good. Nature has it that good for female, good for men. But as a man, I know what I'm talking about. It's for another episode.
Yes.
So viewers, follow us as we will demonstrate it. Okay?
Okay. Thank you. So, beautiful people,
this is
cashew leaf.
The cashew leaf. Okay, so just like we said, We are going to demonstrate how we are going to use it for mouthwash.
Yes. So I plucked the one of the leaf. So I want to rinse it. This is my brush. You see, I will rinse the cashew leaf like this. Okay, you see. So I'm going to do it like this.
That's true.
Do it like this. It's very good. So this is the water is
the water is inside our mouth.
So I'm going to use my brush to wash it.
To wash it, okay? Ẹ ṣe kìíní yìí náà kí omi máa lọ.
Very good. See my teeth. See white teeth.
Very white.
You have been using this leaf for 1 year.
1 year plus.
So 1 year plus. It's very good. So my husband will come and brush his own teeth. So subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video. Yes. Okay. My husband is using.
So viewers, this is the cashew leaf. Okay. Yes. Just like I said before, it's antifungal, antiparasitic, antiseptic. So
it's good for gum.
If you're having gum problem, most especially mouth odor, teeth problem, any oral problem, use it. So one is enough. So yes. I'm going to drop this, okay? So what I do is first of all, I will rinse it because of dust and maybe any insects, whatever. So after rinsing it, okay, then I will just chew it directly. So I'm not going to swallow the juice or the liquid. I'm going to retain it in my mouth and add my brush to it. Wow, this is very natural.
Yes.
Not just natural, 200%. In fact, 500% natural. Above all, is free. If you mistakenly swallow it, it's medicinal. Very good. Huh? I'm coming. So, you see? Huh? Very lovely. So, viewers, this is very, very good. Viewers. So, viewers, this is very, very good, very natural, very medicinal for gum problems, teeth problems, oral problems, mouthwash. It's everywhere. Many people are using it. All you need to do is just get cashew leaf. One is okay. Rinse it, and just like you have seen. So as you could see, fresh breath, natural. So if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, thumbs up, drop in the comment section what other natural method you think you know. This is very natural. You don't need to be moving here and there, running scatter, and because these days we all know that most of the mouthwash these days is either one or two issues you have with gum problems. So this is very sick, very strong and healthy teeth, fresh bread, above all is free. Okay, you don't buy it, you don't pay for it.
So viewers, this is what we are using for our teeth.
So viewers, as you have seen how we have demonstrated the video,
yes,
very natural.
Naturals.
It's free. Nature has given us free.
This is what my bread. Grandmother is using.
Yes, our grandmother is using it.
It's very good.
This is where the stick, they use it as
brush,
chewing stick. So this is very rich,
very rich.
When you try it, you give in the you tell us when you try when you try it.
Tell us what you think about this
in the comment section. Drop in the comment section how it is.
Yes.
You see how rich your mouth
share
is.
This video with your family, your
friends,
children, your friend, your grandmother, your grandfather. Share it. Video. It's very good.
Very rich. So this we are going to use it for other days. We are going to preserve it.
Keep it inside fridge.
For those who may not have cashew plants in their compound,
get this.
You can plug it in maybe
anywhere you
see it, and just remove the leaves. Put them in a nylon and store it in the fridge. They can stay there for up to a week.
1 week or 2 weeks.
Thereabout, and be using it. It's very,
it's because we have it around us. That is why we got this small. So when next we need it, we'll go there and plug small. So
viewers, if you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up. Consider subscribing. If this is your first time you are watching our video, consider subscribing. As for our returning subscriber, we want to say thank you for supporting us. So as you can see, this is one of our videos we've done for the kids. So viewers, if you enjoy this video, support us by clicking the red button, the subscribe button. Okay, you can thumbs up, drop your comments in the comment section. So till we meet again in our next video. Bye.